Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Kia Sportage can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this Draw-Tite hitch installation. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Begin this installation by removing the center underbody panel. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver for 4 push rivets. And then we will use a 14mm socket on an extension to loosen 3 plastic nuts. Use your socket to spin the plastic nut by hand while pulling on the panel. As you can see, our plastic nut is missing, so we're going to take another approach. Use a trim panel tool if necessary to pry the underbody panel away from the 3 posts. If the plastic inserts for the plastic nuts remain, again, use the trim tool to pry them away. They will be no longer needed. Return the underbody panel to the vehicle owner. We will not reinstall it. Next, repeat these steps for the passenger side underbody panel, 2 trim clips, and 2 plastic nuts. Again, our plastic nuts are missing, so let's gently pull this panel from the vehicle. It will be reinstalled. If this also has happened to you, fear not. You will need to replace them so that we can put the underbody panel back when we're finished. We are now ready to raise the hitch into position. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, I would recommend getting a second set of hands. Start with getting the passenger side over the tailpipe. You can now install your new hardware. Make sure that the teeth on the conical tooth washer will face the hitch. Repeat for the other side. You can now tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications, which I will link in the description below. We're going to use a 17mm socket and an extension for 2 of the bolts going up. Finally, you can return the passenger side underbody panel by pressing the plastic nuts into position and returning the 2 trim clips. Now that the hitch is installed, we pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 6 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 14.5 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can even download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.